I have it right here in my hand.
I do want to weigh in on that incredibly transparent, cynical thing that people tend to say. And it really is transparent. But in most waiting rooms, there will be somebody who can't resist picking up the piece of copy and saying, I drove all this way to read this piece of, you fill in the blank.
Genius.
And I can't resist, and I do say to them, I'll tell you what, next time, spare yourself the drive, sit it out, and let everybody else move up one. Because first of all, that behavior is transparent, your insecurity is showing, your bravado is ridiculous, and just, why don't you just either keep your mouth shut or actually be what you say you're being, and sit it out, and let everybody else move up one. How about that?
Bravo.